Hello guys, so today we are going to be opening my surprise. And you can see I have puppies! And now,
Here's your surprise from Tita Kat. What will you say?
thank you, Tita Kat!
Oops. Okay, open it.
Let's see. It's a real purse! It's an actual purse!
Do you like it?
Yeah, I want to see what's inside of the purse.
Mm.
Wait, I think it has to go like this. Yes, I know how to open it. It has dollars!
How many dollars?
Oh my god! I'm an actual good with dollars new.
No, she said that's for your Starbucks. Take it out.
No, I'm gonna keep this in there forever.
No, we have to count.
Mom, put it back in.
Yeah,
We're
she
done.
said this is for your Starbucks. Wow! 20 and 10. Wow, you have Starbucks money. What will you say?
Thank you, Tita Kat.
For your birthday present. So what else you gonna say? So by the way, we just got home from school, guys, and she cannot wait to unbox the gift. All right? Yeah. So, are you really surprised?
Yes.
Yeah, hindi pa siya nakabihis, girl. Talagang binuksan na
I
niya.
just love the surprise, and I'm really happy that they has money inside of the purse.
Talaga? Pak, ganon.
So,
Pak, ganon. Can you say it?
no.
Okay, bye-bye na.
So,
Palagi silang gutom after school. So, may mga snacks talaga yan.
I was really happy when I saw the dollars in there.
There's dollars in it. She is very happy.
And I was so surprised that I could not believe that there was cash in it.
And come what? You cannot believe there's cash in it? Agnawang may papiyong-piyong pa. May papikit-pikit
So,
pa.
guys,
I'm gonna go get a birthday thing.
I really appreciate it.
Okay, and that's all.
And Jack Whiteman, great.
Bye.